Hello everyone, welcome to Leka Treats and thanks for being here. My name is Benedicta and in today's video we'll be making this highly requested no oven egg bake recipe. All ingredients for this recipe are listed in the description box below. We'll begin by cutting our vegetables into smaller sizes. I have here 1 large carrot, 1 onion, 1 red bell pepper. You can use your preferred vegetables for this recipe. And please try to separate your onions to allow them cook faster. Next, we'll crack and whisk 8 eggs. And to this, we'll add our garlic powder, white pepper powder, and some salt. Whisk it well. And then add our milk. And continue whisking. We'll then add our chopped vegetables, our peas, and our tuna. And mix everything well. Next, we'll add 1.5 tablespoons of oil into a pan on low setting, and I have it on level 2, and then add our egg mixture. We'll then sprinkle some cheese on top, spread it out evenly, and then cover and allow it to cook for 25 to 30 minutes. We'll then poke a toothpick into it, and once it comes out clean, it means it's done. And there we have it, another simple, easy, and lekker recipe. I'll be having mine with some bread rolls and tea. Please check out my bread roll recipe. It's so easy to make at home. Look at this goodness. Kindly subscribe and click on the notification bell to be notified whenever I upload a new video. Like, comment, and share. Thanks a lot for watching, and until I come your way again, it's bye.